Uncover hidden real estate opportunities by exporting Redfin data directly into Excel for in-depth analysis. First, head over to Redfin.com and enter the location you're interested in. Could be a city, a neighborhood, or even a specific zip code. Once you've got your search results, zoom in or out on the map and adjust your filters to narrow down the properties you want to analyze. This is crucial for focusing your data. Look for the download icon. Usually next to the Save Search button, it might appear as an arrow pointing downwards or a similar symbol. Click this to download the data. Your data will download as a CSV file now. Open Microsoft Excel. In Excel, go to the Data tab, then select from Text, CSV. Find the CSV file you downloaded from Redfin, select it, and click Import. You might need to adjust the delimiter to comma to properly separate the columns. And there you have it. Your Redfin data is now in Excel, ready for you to create charts, analyze trends, and unlock valuable real estate insights.